guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, we're going to cover copper gutter guard installation. Whether you have half round gutter or the traditional K-style gutter, it makes no difference. The type of gutter guard that we recommend is the aluminum perforated gutter guard. Even for the copper gutter guard installation, you're going to just use, obviously, the product in copper. If you have a copper gutter on your home, whether it's the traditional 5K style gutter or the half round style gutter, now it doesn't matter the size, whether it's 5-inch or 6-inch, you're going to still use the perforated copper gutter guard. I'm also going to give you a couple pro tips. These are things you're going to want to make sure you do when you install that copper gutter guard. When you install the copper gutter guard, you're going to want to make sure you use the right types of screws when installing the copper gutter guard. You're going to want to make sure that you use only copper screws or brass screws when you screw that type of gutter guard in. When you mix the metals and use the different types of screws, it can actually get acidic and just kind of start to corrode the copper if you don't use the right screws while installing the copper gutter guard. When you see the recommended perforated gutter guard in copper, those types of gutter guards are designed for K-style gutter. They can easily be installed on the half round gutter. This is the copper gutter guard. Installing this type of gutter guard, the copper perforated gutter guard, we're actually installing this on 6-inch half round gutters is what we're installing this gutter guard on. And now as you can see, looking at this gutter guard, it's actually made for the K-style gutter system, this gutter guard here. It can easily be installed on the half round type gutters. When you install that type of gutter guard, the copper perforated gutter guard on a half round style gutter, whether it's 5-inch or 6-inch, what you're going to want to do is it's going to be screwed onto the front just like the K-style gutter. But with the half round, hopefully I said all that right, you're going to screw it into the back of the gutter. That'll give it the support when you put it in the front. You'll also screw it into the back, and that will give it the support. The other pro tip I'll give you is you have that small section of copper half round gutter, whether it's copper or it's aluminum. What I normally will do when I install that type of gutter guard on that type of gutter, the half round gutter, I'll usually place it onto the half round gutter, and when I'm screwing it into the front, I'll put a screw on each side of the spring clip. That'll just kind of level it out on the front of the half round gutter, but it also acts as a support for the spring clips. And the back of that copper gutter guard, whether it's copper or aluminum, it gets screwed into the back of the gutter guard, and that'll give it the full support it needs. The reason why you have to screw the copper perforated gutter guard, if you're a gutter contractor, you're aware of this, does not have support brackets inside that half round gutter. So by screwing it in the front, screwing it in the back, you can use that copper perforated gutter guard. Same thing with the aluminum. You can use that aluminum recommended perforated gutter guard. So that's it, guys. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.